So let's look at a sample question. So this is very popular in the IGCSE exams. We have to use a few formulas for one question. So equation is always given in the IGs. So give you a calcium carbonate HCl, and they always give you the grams. So 25 grams of calcium carbonate. So question A is to find the mass of CaCl2. So it's given 25 grams of calcium carbonate. You start from calcium carbonate, the one that's given, and you jump over to find the mass of CaCl2. So since it's mass, recall the formula, N equals to mass over molar mass. So M 25 gram molar mass. So you can use the periodic table. Periodic table is given in the exam. So calcium, you can see the bigger number 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16. So you can always use the periodic table, 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. So it's good to remember the mass of oxygen. Simple calculation will give you 0.25 mole. So from there, you use the ratio from the equation. So the ratio using the number in front, so 1, ratio 2, ratio 1, ratio 1, ratio 1, using the number in front of the chemicals. So since it's 0.25 mole, 1 to 2, jump over 0.5 mole, 1 to 1, 0.25 mole, 1 to 1, 0.25 mole, and 1 to 1 again, 0.25 mole. So this is very useful. That's how we use a chemical equation. So back to the mass of CaCl2, use N equals to M over Mr. Find the mass, times it over N times Mr. So N is 0.25 molar mass again, but for CaCl2. So use the periodic table. Calcium 40, chlorine 35.5 times 2. So use the how do you find? Oh yes, look at the periodic table, use the bigger number near to the symbol. That's the mass. Then plug in your calculator. So if you get 27.75 grams. So this is about 2 to 3 marks in the exam. Next, mass of H2O. Same thing again. Since they ask for mass, recall the formula M over Mr. So times it over. So 0.25 times the molar mass of H2O. So hydrogen is 1 plus 1 and oxygen is 16. You see, you always use hydrogen and oxygen. So please remember the mass of it. Simple maths. 4.5 grams. Very easy. Next, if they ask for volume of CO2 gas, once they say volume of gas, recall the formula N equals to V over 24. Rearrange the formula. N 0.25. You see, no matter what is the gas, you always times to 24. That's why it's very easy. And you get 6 dm cube. So make sure you put in dm cube since it's 24 dm cube. So this is about 4 to 5 marks in your exams.